No matter. Anyway, today we're at Wood End Farm and I'm now in the 6480. I've managed to catch a lift at last, and it didn't help it that it started raining, so we might just be lucky that, well, I'm sure they'll just finish it anyway. There's nothing else will probably happen, isn't it?
It's all this field to do, that's it.
So we've only this 14-acre field, I believe, to do, and then it's a case of getting the pit rolled and the sheeting done. I'll be disappearing long before that, of course. I've done quite a few pits in my day. It was never too bad at the thwaite. I had a machine that fetched them up with the handle and that, so it was okay that way. So where are you from? I probably know you, but...
Craigieland Hill, quickly.
Right.
I'm at Beatick.
Up at Beatick,
I've known the Sloan boys all my day.
Well, Nick, I used to work at Kirkhill.
That's right,
and he was born when I was there.
What was that, 1973? 74, about there.
Somewhere in about that. Then I went to work in a quarry after that.
Right.
So he's sort of getting the hang of things. He had a road mishap with some other side of the trailer, but not too bad. That's alright. As long as the door doesn't open and full into that chopper.
Oh, no, didn't see that.
No. The kiss of death, whenever the bloody air come on, the rain comes. What sort of farm have you got then?
Beef and sheep.
Beef and sheep.
Simple coos.
It doesn't matter what you have, it's never very easy anyway, is it?
No.
If we put these corners in fields.
Oh, more, man.
It would be likely, But it seems to have been going fairly well anyway, and maybe that would be the kiss of death as well, of course. It's a big difference from the 525. The way the weather is nowadays, you don't get the days, do you?
Oh, this is it.
It's quite a big acreage.
That's right.
It's still just the same.
They'll not know themselves until they get far more work done now.
Aye, probably, aye. More holidays, do you mean? Obviously I left that so it was nice and wet for the top of the pit. So we got trailer brakes in this?
Yep. Brakes actually work the trailer, pretty good.
I was at Stennery's Hill the other day and they were getting up some steep stuff like.
Aye.
Probably better keeping off that wet bit. As you can see, we've got some rain now.